What happens when political power turns against its own? Imagine being part of a system, upholding its pillars, only to find those same structures suddenly collapsing around you. This is the tale of Neville Mutsvangwa, whose recent arrest casts a stark light on the internal conflicts within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF. Neville, the son of Women's Affairs Minister Monica Mutsvangwa, found himself entangled in a web of accusations last week. Charged with illegal foreign currency trading and possessing unauthorized Starlink equipment, his arrest is not just a simple case of law enforcement. According to lawyer and former finance minister Tendai Biti, this incident marks a darker, more insidious trend within the ruling party. Biti suggests that Neville's arrest is a direct result of political infighting within ZANU-PF, a clear sign that the party is now, in his words, devouring its own children. The implications of this internal discord are profound, not just for Neville, but for his family. His mother, a prominent cabinet minister, now sees her own son victimized by the very system she represents. Biti argues that Neville's plight is a consequence of the weaponization of the law, a tactic used against those who fall out of favor within the party's ranks. Furthermore, the situation threatens to destabilize the political standing of Neville's father, Christopher Mutsvangwa, who serves as the ZANU-PF spokesperson. Insider sources hint at a growing discontent within the party, suggesting that Christopher's days in his role might be numbered. The source bluntly states that the Mutsvangwas have become ungovernable, and the repercussions are now manifesting. On the human rights front, lawyer Passmore Nyakureba, representing other individuals caught in similar legal battles, points out the irony of Neville's situation. He emphasizes that the law should apply equally to all, yet often does not. Neville's case, while high profile, mirrors the struggles of many ordinary citizens facing similar charges. As we delve into this unfolding drama, it's clear that the arrest is more than just a legal issue. It's a potent symbol of the larger power struggles within ZANU-PF. The case underscores the precarious nature of political alliances and the ease with which one can transition from insider to outsider. In conclusion, Neville Mutsvangwa's arrest is not merely about illegal activities. It's a narrative about power, betrayal, and the internal cannibalization of a political party. It highlights the irony of a system that turns on its own and the potential repercussions of such infighting. As ZANU-PF grapples with these internal conflicts, the stability and unity of the party hang in the balance.